guys, it's Shipbased here, and this is cabin 8261 on Anthem of the Seas. It is a virtual balcony. So as you come into the room, you have all the information, bus station, and as Anthem of the Seas and War Cabin has changed to a one service, it is just a one-way thing. It has sleeping off the Adventure, no makeup room anymore. You have the thermostat, the card, and the light switch for the room. You can use any card you want on here. So this is the Holiday Inn Southampton card. It's very nice. So as you come here, you have the full length mirror. Then you have the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom. You get lots of space underneath here and lots of surface space. More storage up here. A very big mirror. You get lots of hanging for towels and stuff, and you also do get like stuff like this as well. So hang towels up, and swimming costumes. You also get one in the shower. No washing line on this ship though. That is one thing that I have seen compared to other ships. And yeah, good size shower. So then you come in to the wardrobe sofa area. So in this one, you get like half hanging. It's our last day here, so they've all packed up. Lots of hangers as well. Nice long sofa. And then in here, you get all the cubby holes, and you get some drawers at the bottom. Over here, you have the desk area and more storage space. So here you have all like the USBs, European, American, all the sockets. You have a light switch for the vanity mirror. More storage here and here. This is my sister's cabin, so don't judge me for the mess. Mine's the balcony cabin. You get more drawers, a hairdryer, more drawers in here, and a mini fridge in here. Again, on War Cabin, they don't stock it for you anymore. You have to ask, and you do get charged. You get a lamp on here. You have someone's birthday on board, and they made a tower animal cake. Really impressive. Tower animal cake. It's not really an animal, but so you get two very small bedside tables. The one in the middle. So this is set up for twin beds. So that you do lose a lot of it due to the phone. But again, lots of storage up here. These are really good above the bed. You can really put a lot in them. They're very big. Get a TV. You can look at your bill, get some movies. Really good sports channel on here as well. And yeah, it says you can order room service on it, but you can't. Yeah, you can look at a menu, then you have to call them. And again, also no more breakfast menus. Oh well, on Anthem of the Seas, it was on Wonder of the Seas. So you have to again call room service to do your breakfast order. So it's not just hanging it on the outside of the door, which you used to, which is a little bit annoying. But again, this is the main thing about this cabin, is the virtual balcony. So it's an internal, but this is a live view of what's outside with the animated balcony. Anything very interesting, I had one time. There is like marks on here. I don't know if that is to do with this TV or if it's to do with the actual thing. We only have one on board, one room like this, so I can't tell you guys. But yeah, there is, as you can see, that line there and line there. But yeah, it might be just to do with the live stream or whatever. But yeah, lots of storage, big space, looks really nice. And yeah, with the virtual balcony, you do have the curtains either side just to close it off for the evening. So this is cabin 8. It's my sister's cabin. Sorry, I forgot the number. It is 8261 on Anthem of the Seas. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipbased here. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.